Dear students, in previous class I derived a formula for intensity of electric field due to electric dipole at any position. Now I am going to derive the same formula by other method. See this topic, electric potential due to electric dipole at any position. Students, we are studying same chapter electrostatics, same chapter electric potential and potential energy. This is chapter number 3. Now we are going to derive formula for electric potential due to electric dipole at any position. See, suppose we have an electric dipole having charges minus q plus q, length 2l, center C. Suppose there is arbitrary point P at which electric potential has to be determined with the help of this electric dipole. Length of the dipole is taken 2l, so half length will be L, remaining half length will be also L. Suppose this is charge number 1 and this one is the charge number 2. Let potential due to this charge 1 at this point P be V1. In the same way, suppose potential due to this charge plus Q, which is charge number 2, is V2. So total potential at this point P will be the sum of potential due to charge 1 and potential due to charge 2. So V equal to V1 plus V2. Listen once more. V1 is the potential due to charge 1, which is minus Q, and V2 is the potential due to charge 2, which is plus Q. Potential is a scalar quantity, so both potential will be summed algebraically. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now, first we will join the point from both charges like this. Let the dipole moment is taken from negative to positive. So this is what direction of electric dipole moment P. It is taken from negative to positive. So this is the dipole moment P from negative to positive. This is the position vector R. This one is the position vector of a point this P with respect to center C. C is the center of the dipole. Let this theta be the angle between vector P and vector R. Listen once more. Theta be the angle between vector P and vector R. Now, to find potential V1 due to this charge minus Q at point P, we will apply formula small kq by R. R means distance. So distance of this point P from charge minus Q is AP. So I will write AP. Sign of this charge is negative, so I will write minus sign. Now this plus. Suppose this point is B. So distance of point B or charge plus Q from point B is BP. So small k plus Q is the charge and distance is equal to BP. Now we will take common. K is common. Small q is common. This expression is positive. I will write earlier. This expression is negative. I will write later. So 1 by BP, which is positive, minus 1 by AP, it is negative. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now we will find this BP and AP. To find this distance BP and AP, we will do a small construction. If this angle is theta, this will be also theta. Draw a perpendicular. Also draw a perpendicular from point B on the same line. After drawing perpendicular, we will write name of these points. Suppose this is N and this one is M. So this distance AP will be equal to NP. So at the place of AP, one can write NP. So at the place of AP, one can write NP. I will find this AP separately. So AP equal to, this distance AP is equal to NP. See, this distance NP is equal to AP. So AP equal to NP. Now NP, see this distance NP. It is equal to this R plus NC, this whole R, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance, plus this CM, NC. So NP is the sum of, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance बच्चों R है, देखिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है small r. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance R है और plus NC, R plus NC. Now NC, in this triangle, NC by L equal to cos theta. यहाँ पे लिखा बच्चों अलग से NC by L equal to cos theta. So NC is equal to L cos theta. So at the place of NC, one can write this value L cos theta. So this will be R plus L cos theta. Suppose this is equation number 3. We will substitute this value in this equation 2. Now we will find this value BP. So I am going to find this value BP. See BP, this distance BP. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का. BP is equal to MP. BP is equal to MP. देखो बच्चों, BP is equal to MP. And MP is what? R minus, पूरा ये distance R minus this CM. CM is this distance, C point थोड़ा दूर लिखा हुआ है, इस point का नाम है, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है CM. तो R minus CM, R पूरा distance है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So it is R minus CM. R minus CM. फिर से देखें यहाँ पर triangle है एक, triangle CMB. So CM by L, this side is L, half length of the dipole. CM by L, see CM by L is equal to again cos theta. So CM equal to L cos theta. तो बच्चों ये साइड में जो हम कर रहे हैं ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको भी ध्यान रखिएगा. ठीक, ये नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो भी नंबर मिलेंगे, लेकिन अगर रिवीजन करते समय ठीक कहीं दिमाग में नहीं आया तो ये काम आएगा, इसको भी लिख करके. So see CM equal to L cos theta. L cos theta. Suppose this is equation number 4. Now, substituting values of AP and BP in equation 2. So we will substitute value of AP and BP. See, potential V equal to K into Q in the bracket 1 by BP. So BP equal to R minus L cos theta, R minus L cos theta, minus AP. AP equal to R plus L cos theta, this value. So I will write 1 by R plus L cos theta. Now we have to solve to find final value, small kq, taking LCM. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. So LCM will be R square minus L square cos square theta. ये यहाँ आएगा, ये यहाँ जाएगा. So R plus L cos theta minus R minus L cos theta. V equal to small kq माइनस साइन के कारण R से R कैंसिल, माइनस माइनस प्लस. So L cos theta plus L cos theta will be 2L cos theta. So inside the bracket, in the numerator, the value 2L cos theta will remain. In denominator, the value will remain same, R square minus L square cos square theta. R square minus L square cos square theta. Now we will arrange small k, this k into 2L into cos theta by R square minus L square cos square theta. Now this k into 2 is equal to electric dipole moment P. So V equal to small k P cos theta by R square minus L square cos square theta. So this is the final formula for electric potential due to electric dipole at any position. But in most of the problems, it is given that dipole is small. So if dipole is small, one can say this L square is less than R square. So this expression can be neglected. So we can write this V equal to K P cos theta by R square. So I derived formula for electric potential due to electric dipole at any position Kp cos theta by R square. If theta will be 0, if this theta will be 0, the point will be at end-on position. Cos 0 has value 1, so formula will be Kp by R square. This formula has been also derived. Now at broadside and position, if you carry this point P in this position at broadside and position, so theta will be 90 degree. In that case, I am putting the value of theta cos 90 will be 0, so potential will be 0. So one can write at end on position, बटा जरा यहाँ फोकस कर लेना, ज़्यादा छोटा लिख रहा हूँ. At end on position theta equal to 0, so potential V equal to Kp cos 01 by R square. At broadside on position, theta equal to 90 degree. Cos 90 क्या होगा बच्चा? 0. So potential will be 0. ये फार्मूले में पहले भी डिराइव कर चुका हूँ. So ये टॉपिक दो अलग अलग मेथड से करा दिया गया. एक मेथड पीछे पढ़ाया गया था पीछे की वीडियो में, और एक मेथड ये रहा बच्चों. So this is electric potential due to electric dipole at any position. Thank you.